my little nation, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a Marshalls haul. And so just jump right into it. Here's a Super Glow Ultra Radiant Bronzer. It says new on the box. Right here, I've never seen anything like this, but this did kind of remind me of the Physicians Formula blushes. It looks like this. It's very pretty, and you get a pretty decent sized pan. And I got this for $4, and it's very pigmented. I have it on my cheeks right now. Trust me, it's even more pigmented than my Milani blush, or the All Over Glow. And it's actually about the same size. Compared to a Jeffree Star highlighter, it is like the exact same size. And his highlighters sell for about $30 or so, and this bronzer sells for $4 at Marshalls. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. I did just like a really tiny swatch, and it's, like I said, very pigmented, very pretty, and definitely worth the $4. I saw this and had to have it. It's really nice. Now, another thing I got from Marshalls is this 5 o'clock Shadow Buster. Although I'm not a man, I had a theory I wanted to test. This, by the way, was $3. Everything at Marshalls usually has like one of the little price things. This is $2.99. Looks like this. And I was like, okay, aftershave for men usually like stops the hair growth on their face, stuff like that, you know, so it doesn't grow back as fast. So I'm like, why wouldn't that work for my legs? So I bought shaving balm and I tested it out. It does not work for your legs or any other shaved areas. I did read the directions that says apply to post-shave face, neck, or wherever shaving has occurred. So I'm like, well, shaving has occurred on my legs, the female area, and my underarms. So I shaved, and about 3 days later, which is usually the time my hair starts growing back, there was stubble. So this did not work. Well, now you guys know. This is the Metals palette. I have not opened this yet because I wanted to save it for you guys. And I got it out of the package. This is what it looks like. Really pretty. I'm going to start with the white shade and work my way across. The white shade is called Platinum. And then this one's called Pewter. It's on this one. And then Rose Gold would be on this finger. So I have these three right here. Very chalky, I must say. Like, I don't know if you can see in the pan. I didn't even dig that far into them, and they're dented and just not looking very good. I'm going to try Iron, Bronze, and Copper, which are these three shades right here. Not bad. Oh, those are really pretty. I'm going to do Rhodium, Platinum, and Brass, which are these three shades. So those are on these fingers. And I'm going to do it right up here. And those are very pretty as well. And these are really pigmented. And those are here. And I'm just gonna go up my arm. Those were these shades. The silver is pretty, it just doesn't show up that much on camera. And so yeah, I just swatched the entire palette for you. And these are actually very pretty. These were $7. So my overall thoughts is I really like this palette. I only have $7 and really need some eyeshadow. There you go. And one other thing I decided to try was this Insomnia Control. It's by Forces of Nature. This is all natural, and it had like the drug facts on the back. Have like drug facts on the back and shows you everything that's inside of it. It says it's to ease insomnia and to stop abnormalities in sleep. It helps promote deep restful sleep, promotes relaxation, and it's fast acting. Now, personally, I did not like this at all. It was not fast acting. I thought these were pills. And then when I opened it, I was very disappointed to see that this was just oil. Like, you're supposed to rub it on your forehead, rub it on your chest, rub it in the back of your neck, and do 1 dot on your pillow. Well, I'm here to tell you that I smothered my entire forehead in it, my entire chest, the back of my neck, on my shoulders. I splashed this all over my bed, and I still couldn't sleep. I've wrestled with insomnia before in my life, plenty of times. What I have now is something completely different. I've been wrestling, I can't sleep until it's like really early in the morning, like 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. is when I actually start to get tired. I've turned basically nocturnal. And it's very sad. I don't know what's causing it. I have a doctor's appointment very soon to help figure out what's wrong with my body. But yeah, I have no clue. As soon as the sun starts coming up is when I start to feel tired. I lay awake all night. I'm not on my phone. There's no light in my room. It's just me not being able to shut off my mind. And I can't sleep. So I thought these were pills and I thought these were going to help. But yeah, this didn't help at all. At all. And this was $8. I don't know. If you guys ever tried this oil and you have a different experience, please let me know in the comments. Just on a side note, I did buy melatonin. The store I went to, they only had 10 milligrams. So I got these and I chewed 4 of them and couldn't sleep. So the next night I chewed 4, 5, 6. I chewed 6 and I still couldn't sleep. So I really don't know what's wrong with me. Some bras. They came in a pack of 2. These are the Marilyn Monroe lingerie bras. These are 38Cs, and they do fit, just not around the waist. I have to use bra extenders for these since they're cutting into me, but all around, these are really pretty. They have light padding right here, and they're just really pretty. They're really nice, and they're soft. Then I got same thing, just different color. It's really pretty. I've already worn these like twice. I really like these. From also Marshall's, Marshall's haul. Gloss from Too Faced. And I got this for $5.99. It is the Chocolate Cherries Melted Lip Gloss. Now, it looks like this. I'm pretty sure you guys are all familiar with the melted line. Now, these actually does smell like melted cherries. Chocolate cherries. These smell really good. I have not used this yet. But I'm really excited to use this. I don't own any melted lip products, so this could be very exciting. Kat Von D Lugged Eyeshadow Primer. And this is in the shade Medium. I'm not really sure how much these are at Sephora. But I got this one for $5. It was $4.99, and it works pretty well. I love Kat Von D. I love almost every single one of her products. But this one is actually pretty light for medium, which I think works pretty well. It's nice. Tighter, Brighter, Younger Vitamin C Serum. It's anti-aging, and it visibly reduces the look of lines and wrinkles and helps fade away age spots and discoloration. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's probably the same thing my grandma said. Like, you're too young for this, you don't have, you know, wrinkles and all this stuff, but I know that it's never too early to start taking care of your skin, and so I bought this. This was $6, which isn't bad at all for what it is. I didn't buy it because it said anti-aging. I bought it because I want my skin to have spots on my face, the discoloration. I've talked about it before in a video, not really in depth. But I wanted to see if it really does work. I was born with discoloration, and I wanted to test it out on my arm to see if it lightens up. I don't know, I'll show you guys what I mean. On my arm, already you can probably see how dark it is compared to the rest of my body. I was born with all my arm discolored, basically all the way up to my elbow. My elbows are darker, my underarms are also dark, and my inner thighs. I was born just with dark patches all over me, so I was really hoping that something like that, if it does what it's does what it says, hopefully this ends up lightening up. I'm really excited to try these out. I got this for $8. It's like a rainbow unicorn looking brush set. I have not opened these. They don't feel like rough or scratchy or anything. I wouldn't necessarily use the word fluffy, but yeah, they're decent. They're also like chrome, like they're really nice. They're pretty. Like, I'm a hoarder. I probably won't throw this away. Next is from Maybelline. Now, I know you guys have seen probably how much I love this foundation. This is Super Stay Foundation by Maybelline. They did not have these at Marshall's, but they did have these. I've never tried this before, but I did get this only for $4, which I really could not pass up. These are the Super Stay Better Skin. And this one also has sunscreen inside of it, has SPF 15. And this is in the shade Warm Nude. And I also have the shade Porcelain, and I mix these two together and I get like perfect shade for me. And I really like it. It's about medium, it's like light to medium coverage, definitely buildable. It didn't leave my face looking cakey. But yet again, that could also matter on the kind of powder that I used. I used the Coty Airspun powder that I got from Walmart. But yeah, these actually work really well on my skin, and I'm really glad that I found these. For $4, very good. Really excited to try. This is a hair mask. Now, I know that I have to pay like maybe, I forgot how much it was, like $15, $18 to get a hair mask done at my local salon. And this one was only $8, and it comes with a ton of products. But yet again, I have a ton of hair, so probably it will last me about maybe 4 hair washes, maybe. But after you wash your hair, you're supposed to let this soak in it. Obviously on wet hair, just put it all in your hair, leave it for about 3 to 5 minutes. So what you're really supposed to do with this is you're supposed to work it into clean, wet hair, concentrating on the damaged areas, leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse, and use at least once per week for optimal conditioning and protection. This has argan and keratin in it, and also omega-3s. It has tea tree oil and avocado oils. Paraben free, has frizz control and damage care. So, like I said, very excited to try this. Last but not least, are shampoos and conditioners. I've only got one shampoo and one conditioner to share with you guys. These smell like coconut, and it's leaking in the bag because it's been there for a while. I was supposed to do this review like last week, but I haven't really gotten to that yet. This was $10, but I did get it for $8.99. This is the Oilology Beauty Oils. It's coconut oil shampoo, and it smells so delicious. So delicious. I love coconut scented almost anything. Now, here's another one. This is by Alba Botanica and Botanica. It's a Hawaiian conditioner. It's Drink It Up Coconut Milk Mega Moisturizer. This has no parabens or anything, so it's very healthy for the hair. I also got this for $8.99. And yeah, we went through everything that I've got at Marshall's. So if you guys really enjoyed this video or want to see more, leave that in the comments below. Like, subscribe, share the video, and I hope you guys have a happy weekend. Okay, bye.